Nobody talks about it, but lust is quietly destroying men. Not with fire, not with violence, but with silence. It steals your confidence. It kills your discipline. And worst of all, it convinces you that you're in control when you're not. Every time you give in, you think it's nothing. But inside, you're becoming weaker, less focused, less alive. See, lust is a scam. It gives you a few seconds of pleasure, and in exchange, it takes your energy, your willpower, your drive. It fools your brain into believing you've won something, when in reality, you've just lost a piece of yourself. The truth? If you can't even say no to pixels on a screen, how will you ever build a life worth living? Most guys lose this battle because they think it's all about willpower. But willpower runs out. Systems don't. You lose because your phone is always there. Because you're scrolling alone at 1 a.m. with no purpose. Because you never stop to ask, why am I doing this? You've trained your brain to crave cheap dopamine, and the only way out isn't suppression, it's rewiring. Here's how you fight back. Cut the triggers, block the sites, unfollow the accounts, make failure harder. Then, replace the habit. When the urge hits, don't just sit there. Move. Push-ups, journaling, a walk outside, anything that reminds your body who's in charge. And most importantly, face the real reason. Are you lonely? Bored? Running from pain? Lust isn't the problem, it's the mask. Now imagine life without it. Waking up with control, energy, pride in who you are. No guilt, no shame, just clarity. You're not broken, you're just untrained. But the moment you decide to take back control, lust loses. This isn't about quitting, it's about winning yourself back, and the fight starts today.